Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make simple buffalo chicken dip. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of buffalo wing sauce, 1/2 cup of ranch dressing, and 1 1/2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. This easy method uses common items for a delicious result. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine the softened cream cheese and ranch dressing until smooth. Next, add your shredded chicken and buffalo wing sauce. Stir these ingredients thoroughly until everything is evenly coated and well combined. This ensures every bite of your dip will be packed with flavor. Once your dip is mixed, transfer it into an 8-inch baking dish. Spread it out evenly, then generously sprinkle the shredded cheddar cheese over the top. Bake in your preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the dip is bubbly around the edges and the cheese is melted and slightly golden. Your delicious buffalo chicken dip is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with your favorite dippers. Celery sticks, carrot sticks, and tortilla chips are all fantastic choices. For an extra touch, you can garnish with some fresh chopped green onions. This easy recipe is perfect for parties or a cozy night in. Enjoy every flavorful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.